Yo, what is up, everyone? How you guys doing? I'm here with Turtle. You know, what do you call this? New Year's Eve? Yeah, so what we're gonna do today is just something quick, simple. We're just gonna wash the truck. We're gonna wash this GT. And we're gonna wash the Cobra also. So nothing too fancy. So yeah. About last night though.
It was cool.
Yeah, I'll post a couple of clips. I didn't record much because it was kind of dry until the end, and yeah, you'll see why. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. All right, we're gonna clean the engine bay too. It's a little dirty. Before everyone starts bitching and moaning, alternator's covered, battery is covered, so we're all good there. All right, Jerry, hit it.
I'll go plug.
So we're pretty much done with the car, with the truck. Just waiting on the tires, degreaser, and then we'll clean that off. But yeah, just a quick wash. Oh, it's gonna rain today. It's gonna rain today, buddy. Looks like it. All right, now onto the Cobra. I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start action. The Cobra. Low feel like always. That E85 life, huh?
Yep. Let it get warm up a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna let it warm up and then take it out. Mean old gas leak. We're gonna fix that soon. Change that soon too. We need to change the belts also. Up with it. We need new belts, new pulleys, new everything for this fucking car. It'll come soon enough. Alright, let's get it a wash. Alright, so FYI, if you guys didn't know, if you replace this and put the Cobra emblem on, you gain an additional 25 horsepower. Isn't that right, Jerry?
Yep.
Yeah. So, old, new. Shout out to Jerry. It's my Christmas gift. Yeah. Once he's done installing that, we're gonna wash the car. So, see you guys in a bit. Waiting for the soap to calm down, and then we're gonna wash it.
Calm down. What the fuck does the soap do?
Come on, Jerry.
I'm recording today.
Hey, don't show them my two bucket method. They're gonna get mad. You know, we only use 2 buckets around here. Not 1.
So JT took off to go take his sister to work.
So pretty much the Cobra's almost done. We just got some minor details like this drip that we need to clean, but came out pretty good, Jerry.
Check the doors, asshole.
Oh yeah, we need to do the door inspection unlike last time.
Well, first of all, I was finished. I was hoping Sergio on his Hellcat, so
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Jerry.
wow, 2 fucking
Oh, Jerry. All right, let's check the other side. Come on, bro. Come on.
It's not my fault that you left fucking 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Jerry, what is this?
A drop that is coming down from here.
Jerry, come on, my dude.
That's why I told you. Do you have a leaf blower? You're like, no. Well, that's not my fault.
All right, you did. Good job, Jerry. I'm proud of you.
Fuck you.
Another fucking dent that we need to take out. Okay, Cobra's pretty much done.
Dent free.
Yeah, soon the Cobra will be dent free. As you guys can tell, we got a gas leak for like the 10th time. You guys already know. Soon. Everything soon. Alright, now off to Jerry's car.
Well, not soon because Monzo's taking off. He's getting the toy.
Fuck that fool. We can do the exhaust ourselves.
Oh,
Yeah, alright. Now off to Jerry's fucking GT. Woo! Shit almost blew up my eardrums, bruh. Look at those Brembos. Look at those Brembos. Yeah, they're good. Just finished it. The jury over here closed it. There. Boom, voila. All nice and clean. 5.0, the Boss 302 manifolds in here.
Oh, bitch.
Dude. Yep, all cleaned up. All right, now we're gonna start on the outside. Come on, close this shit up. Alright, so pretty much done already with this vehicle. Just put on the tire shine on it, and that's it. So, what do you guys say to the people? Alright.
Keep following us. We should be getting big soon.
Yeah, soon.
Cobra's gonna be getting more work. And I should be having more moss coming up in the way. So when Monster comes back, they should be pulling more, probably 600. I'm pulling 5 right now. Pretty happy with that.
It's pulling around 500 horsepower, 600 max up.
I don't need no more horsepower, because why you want to have 800 horsepower when you can't fucking use it nowhere. But
That is true.
at the same time, it is fun having all that power. But at the same time, like I said, where are you gonna use it? Are you gonna be going to the track often? No. So I'm good with 5, 6, 6.5. I'm good with that.
Yeah, so we're gonna wrap it up. We're pretty much done. My sister just got here, mom's here. So we'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright, later. Take care, bye.
many thoughts in my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. Killing the game and I gotta go ask anybody.